Today we're going to program this universal remote to work with Panasonic TV without any manual code list. The steps are basically the same no matter what brand you're using. I've got an Panasonic TV right here that I'll be using as an example. Now, if you don't have that little paper with the code list that usually comes with the remote, no issue. Just head over to this website, buyjasco.com/universal remote codes. They've got all the codes right there. But before we go any further, we need to remove the battery cover from the remote. Inside, you'll see something like CL5 or 6 printed. That tells you the type of remote you have. If yours says CL5, that's what you'll search for on the site. On the site, choose the device type. In my case, that's a TV. Then pick the brand. I'm using Panasonic. We've got a list of codes. These are ordered from the most likely to work at the top. Let's set this up. First, find the setup button on your remote. On mine, it's right here. Press and hold setup until you see the red light come on at the top. Once that light is on, press the button for the device you're setting up. So, for TV, just press the TV button once. Now we're ready to enter the code. The first code for Panasonic is 1571, so let's type that in. Then hit the power button to test it out. Look at that, it worked on the first try. Nice. If that code doesn't work for your TV, just keep going down the list until your TV turns off or on. Easy. If you want to disconnect the remote, here's how. Press and hold the setup key again, then press mute, then press and release 0. You should see the light flash. That means it's no longer connected. So, yeah, that's how you set up a universal remote, with or without the code list. Super easy, right? If this helped you, drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more easy tech help.